Hawaii's most accurate weather with Kelly Simek.
Aloha, everybody. We're continuing to track the two tropical systems that are approaching the island chain. Now, one we're already starting to see impacts from, and this is Hurricane Eric. Now, we do have the latest numbers from the National Hurricane Center, and it does look like Eric has maintained its hurricane strength. Now, take a look at the official track from the National Hurricane Center. The forecast winds are expected to be decreasing as the day progresses, but current sustained winds are at 85 miles an hour, so still a Category 1 strength storm. Now, as this approaches us, we're expecting large surf as well as heavy rainfall to come through. Now, as we play out the forecast track, again, the good news is at least the center of the system is forecast to pass well to the south of the state. I just checked a look at the potential for tropical storm force winds, and the 5 to 10% chance ends just at about Hawaii Island. So we're actually not looking like we're going to be seeing any of those tropical storm force winds. We're still going to be seeing breezy conditions. So definitely if you have any loose items outdoors, you're going to want to bring those in or tether them down, because we could potentially see winds for Big Island forecast up to about 30, if not 35 miles an hour. When you have the downslope acceleration of those winds in some areas, could be seeing much stronger gusts. So just be prepared for that. But the good news is it's not looking like we're going to be seeing those tropical storm force winds. What we are expecting is a lot of widespread and heavy rainfall. A flash flood watch is going into effect later this afternoon for Hawaii Island. Now, the latest on Flossie, still at a tropical storm strength as well. We're looking at 65 miles an hour as well, meaning didn't really change from the last update much, but again, the other system still a hurricane. This one a tropical storm in forecast to maintain its tropical storm strength as it continues to approach the state. And a lot more of the forecast models coming into a better agreement that it's looking like it's going to be passing just to the north of the island chain. Heavy rainfall, strong winds are expected from that one as it is a closer proximity, and large surf. Now, this is a look at the future satellite and radar for today. And as we play this out, take a look for this particular forecast model. It shows the bulk of the moisture passing just to the south of the state, but we're still expecting a lot of rainfall statewide. And again, the bulk of that's going to come through for Hawaii Island today into tomorrow. But here's a look at Saturday, 7 a.m. and we're already starting to see this clearing to the south of the state, but still some lingering moisture. So again, the impact still expected to continue through the start of the weekend as well. All right, I'll have more on this coming up on both systems, but now let's send it over to Chris Latroni. Chris,